Hi, I'm Jeff in New Zealand. The makers of Easy Cash for Ads and Second Splash have come up with what they claim is the greatest leveraged compensation model ever created. Let's investigate Really Smart Art and see if that is true. When you join Really Smart Art, you're placed in a profit line of 7, and when anyone makes a sale, everyone gets paid a $10 commission. You'll get a $30 commission for your own personal referrals. Now let's look at the product. Personalized images can be sent to the first name of everyone on your email list, and the images are very spectacular. Here's one I uploaded and successfully put first names on it. This personalizing can easily quadruple or 4 times your response. Now, Really Smart Art is taking off so fast, I can't keep up with the images. It's over 38,000 already, probably 39,000. Earned by its members, which is incredible. This is a very successful business. In your dashboard, your growing balance will be shown like this. Here's proof that your profit line of 7 profit partners will bring in $10 commissions when you're not expecting it. You just earn $10 from someone else doing the work. How easily can you earn commissions with us? This will blow your mind when you realize that you can have infinite numbers of profit lines. I give 5 stars to this Really Smart Art program. You can get started with this free and work to get upgraded. The moment a free member refers 3 members who upgrade to a pro membership, not only will you have already earned $60 in commissions, your account will automatically be upgraded to a pro membership and you will experience all the pro benefits. Really Smart Art gets 5 stars from me, Jeff Dodd in New Zealand. Here I am with the dog JJ, and here I am in the office, in the home office. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this program. Find the link below, just below this video.